Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be aware every time I post. Thank you so much. Today's video is another food vlog. It's been a while, but I will deliver for today. It's the best tuna salad recipe ever. It's the healthiest and the easiest. You are going to love this, I promise. As usual, recipe down below for easy reference. So here are the ingredients for this best tuna salad, the healthiest, not using any mayo. First, you have diced onions. You can use white or red. Chopped parsley, chopped green onions or chives. Then you have the cashew butter dressing. I'll put a link how to make that. It's easy, it's the best. And of course, your canned tuna of choice. What made this tuna delicious is the cashew butter dressing. I've tried different recipes and this is the best, bar none. First step is to drain the liquid from the tuna can and put the tuna in a bowl. Then use a fork to break up any large pieces of tuna. Next is to add the celery, the onions, the parsley, and the cashew butter dressing. Mix everything together, season with salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. There is your delicious and healthy tuna salad, the best tuna salad I have ever made. Seriously, the magic ingredient to this delicious tuna salad is the cashew butter dressing. I have made many tuna salad before, different recipes, and I believe I found the best one. You can eat it with your favorite bagel. This is my favorite, the blueberry wheat bagel. And you can also eat it with your salad or just on its own like this. It's delicious. And you can also have it with the lettuce wrap or a lettuce boat instead of a bread. All the salads, the possibilities are endless. In the comment section, please share how do you like to eat your tuna salad with, or the creative ways to serve it. For me, this is my all-time favorite, a toasted blueberry bagel. Oh, I love it. My day's complete with this. Thank you all for watching. Happy cooking, happy eating, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care.